Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. Today, I want to take you with me to the supermarket. We will go grocery shopping together. I will speak slowly and use easy, simple English. Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with me, please like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go shopping. I'm walking to the supermarket now. The weather is so nice this morning. The air feels fresh on my skin. I like going grocery shopping in the morning because it feels very calm and peaceful. The streets are quiet and the stores are not crowded. It is a lovely way to start my day. While we walk, let's learn a few important English words for our trip. First, we have grocery shopping. This phrase means buying food and other things for your home. For example, you can say, I am going grocery shopping. Next is the word supermarket. A supermarket is a big store that sells food and household items. It is where we are going now. And finally, we have shopping list. A shopping list is a list of all the things you plan to buy. It helps you remember what you need. My shopping list today is very simple. I need to buy some fruits, vegetables, and milk. And maybe, if I see something nice, I will get a small snack for myself. Okay, here we are. We have arrived at the supermarket. Let's go inside. When you enter a supermarket, you usually take a shopping basket or a shopping cart. A shopping basket is small, and you carry it with your hands. A shopping cart is bigger, and you push it. Today, I'll use a basket, because I don't need to buy many things. I will just carry a few items. Anna picks up a small, red shopping basket and walks into the produce section. I always start with the fruit section. Everything here looks so fresh and colorful. The beautiful colors make me happy. Look at all the different types of fruit. Today, I want to buy a few things. I want some apples, some bananas, and some strawberries. These are fruits I enjoy eating for breakfast or as a healthy snack. Let's make some simple sentences together. You can practice with me. You can say, I want to buy some apples, or you can say, these bananas look good, and for my favorite, strawberries are my favorite. When I pick fruits, I like to choose ones that look clean, bright, and are not too soft when I touch them gently. These red apples look perfect. The bananas are a nice yellow color, not too green and not too brown. And these strawberries smell so sweet. Okay, let's put these in my basket. I will place them carefully so they do not get bruised. Now we are in the vegetable section. It is filled with green, leafy things and so many healthy options. For my meals this week, I want to buy some lettuce, some tomatoes, and some carrots. These are perfect for the simple meals I make at home. Sometimes I cook fresh salads for lunch. And when the weather is cool, I like to make a warm, comforting soup with vegetables like these. Here are some easy English phrases you can use when you are shopping for vegetables. For lettuce, you can say, I need a head of lettuce. When you see good tomatoes, you can say, these tomatoes are fresh. And a common fact in English is, carrots are good for your eyes. These vegetables look very fresh today, so I am happy. Let's put them in the basket. Gently, I don't want to crush the tomatoes. Next, I'm going to the dairy section. You can feel the air get colder here. Everything here feels cool and fresh. This is where you find milk, cheese, yogurt, and eggs. I usually buy milk, yogurt, and eggs when I come to the supermarket. These are essentials in my kitchen. Today, I'll get 1 bottle of milk. In English, we can say, I need a bottle of milk. If you are buying eggs, you might say, I want a carton of eggs. And if you see a yogurt you like, you can say, this yogurt looks delicious. Everything looks good. So I'll take 1 bottle of milk and a small carton of eggs. Let's put them in my basket. Anna walks down an aisle with snacks and cookies. Sometimes, when I have been good with my healthy shopping, I like to buy a small snack for myself. It is just a little treat to enjoy later with my coffee or tea. Today, I think I'll get some cookies. I don't want anything too sweet. Just a small pack of simple, buttery cookies. This one looks perfect. Learning English can be fun even when you are choosing a snack. You can practice simple phrases like these. You can say, I want a small snack, or you can look at something and say, these cookies look nice. When you decide, you can say to yourself, I think I'll buy this one. Okay. These cookies go into the basket. It will be my little reward for today. Anna walks to the front of the store where the cash registers are. Now that I have everything on my list, I'm at the checkout counter. This is where you pay for your groceries. The cashier, the person who works here, scans my items one by one. And then I pay for everything. Here are some useful English phrases for when you are at the checkout. If you want to know the total price, you can ask, "How much is it?" When you are ready to pay, you can say, "I would like to pay by card," or "I would like to pay with cash." If you need a bag for your groceries, you can ask, "Can I have a bag, please?" Today, I brought my own bag to be more eco-friendly. I will pack my groceries carefully and get ready to go home. Thank you so much for coming grocery shopping with me today. I hope this simple English video helped you learn something new and that you enjoyed our quiet morning trip. If you enjoyed it, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to support my channel and a simple English life. Your support means so much to me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.